So just before I start packing to leave today, I'm going to show you guys my room. So what you're looking at right now is the front door. There are 2 hooks on it, which is where I'm keeping my stuff. And I put these 3 hooks here. Yes, I'm extra like that and brought command hooks. But it's where I just keep my keys, hat, and umbrella, and I also have recycling down here. Here's the heater that I've never turned on, and then another hook, and then this is what you see when you walk into the room. So this is the bathroom, that's my bed, desk is over here, this is my wardrobe, and this is just a bookshelf that they give you. And I was gonna clean up, but then I was like, that's not authentic, so I'm just gonna give you guys the real view. So here's the bathroom looks like. Hello, that's me. So over here, just some towel hooks, toiletry things, toilet, sink. It's like not a bunch of space, but pretty decent space. And here is the shower. Just really nice. And having your own bathroom is super nice. It's the towel that they give you. Yeah, mine's dirty. And so here is just the bookcase that they give you, and I just put my 2 bags up for easy access. I just keep my charging port here for my batteries, and also my phone, and I stole this. I didn't steal it, but I just borrowed the plate from the kitchen to hold all my loose change and stuff. Also my cutlery, makeup, sunglasses, and my shoes. Here's my bed. The bed, sheets, blanket, and pillow is all provided by the school. And I just tacked up some maps from various places. If you want to decorate but want to do it for the low and not be concerned with throwing stuff out later, I'd recommend maps because they're visually appealing and they're kind of interesting, and they're big so they take up a lot of space. My suitcase in the corner with my pile of clothes, hamper, great window, great view. And so this is my desk area with my wardrobe. It kind of comes as an attached unit, kind of. And I just have my camera equipment, my electronics. Here's a lamp that they give you, but mine was broken, so I didn't use it. And my desk is just a mess, like it usually is. I also tacked up free flyers and stuff on the back. And I also put up a little gold sheet that you guys might see in the back of some of my videos. They give you drawers. I don't use them. It's my backpack, trash can, and desk, chair. I keep all my clothes out here in the open just so it doesn't look so bare. Also, it's easier to see what I have and what I don't have to wear. And here is the huge wardrobe system. So yeah, I would say in terms of storage, this place ain't bad. This is where I got ready every single day. It's a full-length mirror, which is really nice, and then I just have all my stuff. On the other side too is more and storage. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't use the drawers at the bottom. I do live in a flat with 5 other people, and we share a kitchen. But honestly, pretty great place. Only complaint is the seagulls, which you can probably hear right now. Yeah, they wake you up at 2. I've had a great time here and really like my dorm. One last look before I clean it all up.